look at this good girl, Mindy.
Let's just start throwing this crap in. There we go. There we go. And there. Yeah. Okay. Are they all in there?
Girl.
Are we good? Is it good?
What does this say?
I don't remember. Let's see. Is it? Okay, yes it is. Perfect. Okay.
Wow, he just
So
won't
we
stop
have our
talking.
brew of sleeping now. Let's go ahead. Let's communicate with ourselves first. In the
Girl, so well behaved, so gentle, very quiet.
That I want to carry.
Right, good girl. Mommy never made you barking, huh?
Let's throw in all of our food. I made 5 of these delighted meals. Let's throw in some bones since we can't get those. Let's throw in some gunpowder, some bone meal, and some essence. I don't need the essence. I can keep the essence here.
What is making?
Let's throw in the
Dinner
bucket just in case.
No.
And let's throw in all of our tools.
What game is this?
That's what I'm talking about. And then let's throw in our armor. Even though we don't need it, but armor.
What game is this?
Armor is awesome, and that armor looks freaking sweet.
Yeah, good girl. That's a good girl.
I can't think of anything. If you dudes can think of anything else that we need in the dream world, let me know, because I'm gonna constantly be going back and forth. I have all the food. I have everything I need. Okay, so let's head out. Let's head to the dream world. Actually, I can throw in these fruit smoothies while I'm here. I might as well. Might as well throw in absolutely everything that I can. Okay. You dudes ready? Crap. I actually need to go away from my house. I don't want what happened
What a good smile. Yeah? That's a good smile.
Let me find a good spot. Hold on. Alright, so I guess this down here is a good spot. Oh, dear Lord, okay. I think this is a good spot down here. We're far away from our house. If you look on the mini-map, we're far enough away. Let's just go down a little bit farther. I don't want to die, dudes. Okay, let's throw this down here. Let's hug it. Let's hug our nightmare. Come on! Don't give me a nightmare. Oh! No nightmares. No nightmares.
Oh, look at this bit thing. Look at this bit.
Where the freak am I?
Look at all these toys.
Okay, so I'm in the same cave. Is it a nightmare though? I don't know because it's nighttime. Okay, I have my pickaxe from when I was sleeping. Okay, so I can at least get out of here. Okay, so I just need to dig straight. Where am I? Okay, I went south a little bit. Okay, so I get it. Right here on the mini map is where my house is in the non-dream world. It's a different biome though. That's why it threw me off. But it's essentially the same landscape.